Hello students, today we all of know about the effects of infectious diseases. Effects of infectious diseases. Effects of infectious diseases means what effects takes place when the infectious pathogens enters in our body. The first is the infectious diseases affect the body parts. Affect the body parts. The infectious diseases affect the various body parts when the pathogen enters in bodies. In some diseases, it affects our nose, lungs, throat, liver. Various organs are affected to the infectious diseases. The symptoms of infectious diseases. When the infectious diseases enters in our body, various symptoms occurs in body, that is pain, swelling, fever, tiredness. These are the various symptoms which arises after infecting the pathogens. Treatment of infectious diseases. Treatments of infectious diseases. Infectious disease. Infectious diseases. So various methods are used for the treating of infectious diseases. Number one, treatments of reducing symptoms. Reducing symptoms. Second, eliminating infectious agent. Eliminating infectious agent. Eliminating of infectious agent. And third, biochemical pathways. Biochemical pathways biochemical pathways, and fourth is taking balanced diet. So these are the various techniques which are used for the treating of infectious disease. The first is the treatment of reducing symptoms. In these techniques or methods, we used various medicines which reduce the symptoms of infectious disease, that is pain, swelling. इन सबको रिड्यूस करने के लिए मेडिसिन लेते हैं. नेक्स्ट है इलिमिनेटिंग ऑफ इन्फेक्शियस एजेंट्स. जो इन्फेक्शियस एजेंट हमारे बॉडी में इंटर कर गए हैं, जिसके कारण बॉडी अफेक्टेड है, उसको हम इलिमिनेट करेंगे, उसको बॉडी से इलिमिनेट करेंगे. तो इलिमिनेट करने के लिए, बाहर निकालने के लिए उस एजेंट्स को, उस पैथोजन के लिए हम सर्टेन केमिकल्स का यूज करते हैं. जैसे एंटीबायोटिक्स है फॉर द बैक्टीरिया, एंटी फंगल, एंटीवायरल. वेरियस मेडिसिन आर यूज फॉर द इलिमिनेटिंग ऑफ इन्फेक्शियस एजेंट्स. Biochemical pathways. In these methods, various biochemicals which are mostly made up of proteins used for the treating. These chemicals improve our immune system. Taking balanced diet, we take proper and enrich nutrients which are necessary to our body, by which we treat the infectious diseases. If any nutrients are deficiency in our body, we are affected to various infectious disease very easily. So we take a balanced diet regularly and safe from the infectious diseases. Okay. Antibiotics. Antibiotics. We all have generally listen about antibiotics and taken in the various diseases by the advising to the doctors, physicians. तो व्हाट आर द एंटीबायोटिक्स? एंटीबायोटिक्स है क्या? एंटीबायोटिक वर्ड इज मेड अप ऑफ टू वर्ड्स. एंटी मीन्स अगेंस्ट, and biotic means life. Biotic means life. So the chemicals are certain biochemicals which are used against life मीन्स किसी भी लाइफ के अगेंस्ट, लाइफ को किल करने के लिए या लाइफ को रिमूव करने के लिए जो हम बायोकेमिकल यूज करते हैं उसे हम एंटीबायोटिक्स कहते हैं। उसे हम एंटीबायोटिक्स कहते हैं। एंटीबायोटिक मीन्स अगेंस्ट लाइफ। The antibiotic first discovered by Alexander Fleming. Alexander Fleming from the fungus Penicillium notatum. Penicillium notatum फंगस से जो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सबसे पहली एंटीबायोटिक्स बनी उसका नाम है पेनिसिलिन। Penicillin is the first antibiotics. So these are the antibiotics. Some examples of antibiotics which are used in daily life generally: penicillin, streptomycin, terramycin, certain other various examples of the antibiotics. AIDS. AIDS, the expanded form of AIDS is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. A for acquired, I for immuno, D for deficiency, and S for syndrome. So AIDS is the infectious viral disease. It is caused by HIV virus. HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. Human immunodeficiency virus means the virus which decrease the immune system of the any living bodies is known as HIV virus. HIV, it is the virus. It causes disease AIDS. तो एड्स क्या है? व्हाट इज एड्स? इट इज अ infectious viral disease. In this, the affected person lost their immune power and affected to various diseases, and after some times these diseases reach in the chronic position and leads to the death. सिम्टम्स ऑफ एड्स. एड्स का सिम्टम्स क्या है, कैसे पहचानेंगे? सिम्टम्स सिम्टम्स, नंबर 1 परसिस्टेंट फीवर, हमेशा बुखार बना रहेगा। लॉस ऑफ वेट, बॉडी का जो वेट है वो घटता जाएगा, बहुत तेजी से गिरने लगेगा। स्वेट ड्यूरिंग द नाइट, रात में भी पसीना आएगा। फ्लूइड डिस्चार्ज फ्रॉम द जेनिटल ऑर्गन्स। So these are the various symptoms of the AIDS. Infections, transmission of HIV virus, कैसे ट्रांसमिशन होता है? नंबर 1 बाय यूजिंग इन्फेक्टेड सिरिंज और निडल्स। सेकेंड बाय यूजिंग infected or contaminated blood during the blood donation. By next unprotected sex and by multiple partner sex. These are the various ways by which HIV virus is spread from one region, one person to another person. Prevention of HIV or AIDS. How we prevent the transmission of AIDS? Number 1, to use sterilized syringe. To use sterilized syringe or disposable syringe, needles. To use HIV free blood during the blood donation. And next 3, to avoid multi-partner sex. These are the various ways by which we protect the transmission of the HIV and protect our body to AIDS. Okay. What are the AIDS? What are the AIDS? AIDS क्या है? It is the infectious viral disease. It is caused by HIV virus. In this disease, the infected person lost their immune system or immune power and infected to various diseases. Infected to various diseases which are harmful for them. Name the virus which are responsible for the AIDS. HIV virus. HIV virus is the responsible for the AIDS. What are the symptoms of AIDS? AIDS के क्या symptoms हैं? Persistent fever, loss of body weight, loss of appetite, sweat during the nights, fluid discharge from the genital organs. These are the various symptoms of the AIDS. The NACO, NACO, NACO. National AIDS Control Organization. National AIDS Control Organization is the organization which increase the awareness about the society to how we save or prevent the AIDS or transmission of AIDS. The symptoms of NACO is red ribbon. Red ribbon is the symptoms of NACO. Okay.